Today we will learn the names of animals in English and Hindi with pictures and fun facts. Ready? Let's go. Elephant, hathi. Lion, sher. Tiger, bagh. Dog, kutta. Cat, billy. Horse, ghoda. Cow, गाय. Ox, बैल. Goat, बकरी. Sheep, भेड़. Zebra, Monkey, बंदर. Camel, ऊंट. Giraffe, bear, भालू. Pig, सुअर. Well done! You have just learned 16 animal names in English and Hindi. Keep practicing every day. And like, share and subscribe to Step to English with Rina. Keep learning with fun. See you soon. Happy learning. Thank you.